Welcome to my first self-care video in the TMJ trial. This week we'll focus on simple but powerful techniques to release tension in your jaw, face and neck. Make sure your hands are clean and you're sitting comfortably, ideally in front of a mirror. Remember, everything should feel gentle, not painful. If you feel sharp discomfort, stop and ease off. Let's begin with some grounding and breath work. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. Take a slow breath in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Let's do that a few times, making the out breath a little longer than the in breath. This helps calm your nervous system and tells your body it's safe to relax. As you breathe, allow your shoulders to soften. Using heat to warm the muscles and reduce your pain. Now we'll warm up the tissues. Take 2 flannels, soak them in comfortably warm water and wring them out. Place 1 flannel on each side of your jaw, covering from just under the cheekbones down to the angle of your jaw. You can also move them up towards your temples if that feels good. Close your eyes and breathe slowly. Allowing the heat to sink in. Imagine the muscles softening and melting. This is also a brilliant tool to use anytime your jaw feels tight or painful. Even just 2 or 3 minutes with warm flannels can help calm discomfort. Skin rolling. Now that the tissues are warm, let's do some skin rolling. Using your thumb and fingers, gently pinch a small fold of skin along your jawline, starting near the angle of the jaw. Lift it slightly and roll between your fingers as you move slowly along the line of the jaw. We're working in an upwards direction, continuing to the cheeks and then the temples. Keep the pressure light. You're lifting the skin, not digging into muscles. This helps release facial tension and improve circulation in the face and jaw. We're going to continue this for about a minute on each side. It feels amazing. Next, we're going to do some intraoral work to release the temporalis attachment. So the temporalis is a big muscle on the side of your head that helps you open and close your jaw. So we're going to wash your hands if you haven't already done so. And then we're going to take our right hand, palms facing outwards, and we're going to slide our little finger into the left side of our mouth between our teeth and our cheeks. We're going to slide it up. You feel the cheekbone and there's a little space between the cheekbone and the back of your teeth. And we're going to just hold it in that position for about 20 seconds. Wonderful, and now we're going to do exactly the same with the other hand. So we're going to bring our left hand up, palm facing outwards, and slide the little finger between our teeth and our cheeks up till we find that gap and then hold for 20 seconds. This technique may feel a little tender, that's normal, but keep it comfortable. If you find these techniques particularly painful, slide your bottom jaw over towards the side that you're working on just to create a little bit more space. If you can't hold it for 20 seconds, that's okay. It's perfectly normal. Hold it for as long as you can and try to repeat this exercise once a day. Hopefully over the coming days you'll notice that it becomes less tender and you will be able to hold it for a little bit longer. So now we're going to stretch the neck. I'd like you to get a comfortable position and sit on your right hand. We're going to bring your left hand over the top of your head onto the right temple, and then we're going to bring our left ear towards our left shoulder. Just feel a lovely stretch along the right hand side of the neck. And then when you can, we're going to use your left hand to just make that stretch a little bit stronger. Wonderful. We're going to hold that for about 20 seconds and then go back to centre. Then we're going to do it on the opposite side. So we're going to sit on our left hand, bring our right hand over our head onto our right temple, bring our right ear towards our right shoulder, and then use our right hand to just make that stretch a little bit longer. It feels amazing. Wonderful. Finally, let your jaw relax, teeth apart, lips together. Take some breaths. And now bring your tongue up to the top of your mouth, to the roof of your mouth, and then slide it gently backwards so the tongue rests gently against the palate. Notice how this makes it almost impossible to clench or grind your jaw. Practice this posture throughout the day, at your desk, in the car, or watching TV, to train your body into a new, more relaxed default setting. And as we close, I'd like to invite you to take one last slow breath in. And as you breathe out, I'd like you to let go of anything that's not serving